Okay, Harley Davidson 5K service, that's the baby one, ever so easy to do. And of course we have done many detailed in-depth videos over the years on Harley Davidson servicing, especially the old Sportster. So I'm not going to cover old footsteps today. What I'm going to do instead, as with the last videos, is I'm going to put links in the description below so you can use those detailed tutorials if you wish. But for today, instead, we're going to pop some music on, get the bike on the lift and just do the service for you to enjoy watching. So let's get the bike warmed up, let's get it loaded up and get it drained out. Okay, clutch adjustment, quite critical on your service, but really easy to do. Firstly, back off all the tension on the cable. Turn the adjuster screw in the center of the clutch out until you meet a slight resistance. then turn it in again by 1/4 of a turn, and that will give you the free play, so your clutch pack is within spec. Right, there we go, a quick run through of a Harley Sportster service. All the detailed tutorials will be in the description below if you need them. That was lots of fun, did just about everything we need to do for this particular bike. If you need to do anything different to that or anything you're not sure about, you can drop us a line in the comments underneath. I can always help if you need to. Alternatively, everything you need is in those tutorials. The links are there for you if you need them. We put a few other things in there as well, things like primary chain adjustment and the clutch adjustment, detailed videos. So you can do all of this step by step should you need to. And as ever, we're going to put the links to the Amsoil discounts as well, if you're buying bulk like I am, for all the services I got to do. So there we are. Thank you for watching. Take it easy, ride safe, and I'll see you next time.